Hel- Hello everybody, today we will be talking about types of animals. These types of animals are amphibians, mammals, birds, and reptiles, fish, and invertebrates. Amphibians. They are cold-blooded, have a backbone, they absorb water and breathe through their skin. They live on land or water, and they have at least one special skin gland for defense. Examples of amphibians: eastern red-spotted newt, blue ridge two-lined salamander, and cane toad. Birds. They are warm-blooded, have a backbone. Not all birds can fly, but they do all have wings. Birds have beaks that help them catch and swallow food. Birds lay eggs to reproduce. They are bipedal, which means they have two legs. Their bodies are covered in feathers. Examples of birds: chicken, penguin, ostrich, and owl. Fish. They are cold-blooded, have a backbone. Fish have fins. Most, but not all, fish have bodies covered in scales and breathe through gills. Fish live underwater. Examples of fish: eel, pool, eel, close up, pufferfish, not blown, lamprey, full, lamprey, close up, and pufferfish, blown. Mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded, have a backbone. Most mammals have hair. Almost all mammals give birth to live babies. Their jaw is hinged directly to their skull, unlike all other vertebrates. Young mammals get nourishment from milk produced by their mothers. Examples of mammals: bats, lynx, whale, and polar bear. Reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded, have a backbone, they lay eggs to reproduce, they have four legs or descended from animals with four legs, they breathe through lungs, their bodies are covered in scales or scutes. Crocodile. Examples of reptiles: crocodile, gecko, sea turtle, and blue-winged viper snake. Invertebrates. Invertebrates do not have backbones. They generally have soft bodies. They are multicellular. Most but not all can move, and they contain the greatest number of different species. Examples of invertebrates: clams, corals, crab, black widow spider, starfish, and octopus. That is that is all, everybody. Please enjoy for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.